Labor and equipment requirements change all the time on heavy construction job sites. But relying on forms, phone calls, or other disconnected methods to relay those needs to the office is a recipe for mistakes, missed assignments, and inefficient resource utilization. The B2W platform connects the field and the office in real time, so contractors can instead create accurate resource needs on the fly right in their field tracking application and communicate them directly to the scheduling and dispatching system. Within the B2W Track application, simply click on Needs to request a piece of equipment, crew, or employee. Identify the job site, the type of resource, in this example an employee, and the date and time requested. Then submit. Instantly, or as soon as B2W Track syncs with the B2W Operations platform if it is being used in an offline mode, this new resource need becomes visible in the B2W Schedule application. From here, the scheduler or dispatcher can assign a specific person, crew, or asset to fill the need. The person who made the request will then see the status change in B2W Track from requested to assigned. Creating resource needs in B2W Track and communicating them directly to B2W Schedule. One more way the unified B2W platform connects workflows to maximize efficiency and collaboration.